Assalamu alaikum. This is Mahia Akter. I hope today's presentation is going to be kind of informative because today I will be talking about how we can encourage our noble profession nursing in Bangladesh. We all know that nurses are the biggest part in our healthcare system, but due to unbelievable shortage of nurses, thousands of people are not getting proper medical treatment in Bangladeshi local hospitals. There should be 3 nurses for 1 doctor, but the reality is not like that. Even there are not quite experienced and qualified nurses in Bangladeshi local hospitals. As nursing is a second segmental job in Bangladesh, most of the students are not quite interested to join our profession. Bad impression and ill contribution are the major causes behind this great shortage of nurses. Besides, undefined and low status of nurses and lacking of financial support, lacking of much appreciation are also causes behind this major problem. We can have only a few people who have much knowledge about nursing profession, and not having much knowledge about nursing profession is also a great barrier in improving our profession in Bangladesh. To eradicate all these problems, we have to uphold our profession properly. Some dynamic steps can be taken by society and government as well. Government and private sectors should establish more nursing institutes and more nursing colleges to attract our new generation so that they can come in our profession. Private sectors can open or offer more facilities and more opportunities for international nurses and for international students also. Not only that, masters in clinical nursing, masters in advanced nursing should be available in some universities in Bangladesh. And some universities in Bangladesh can have nursing faculty in them also. And besides, nursing should be the first segmental job in our country. But in our country, nursing is quite a stereotyped job with women. But I personally think men and women both should get equal opportunities to get into nursing profession. And uniform should also change according to our culture or according to nurses' comforts. To meet the financial demand of our country and to get remittance, nurses can be migrated abroad. It can be a great help in our financial demand also. By following all these steps, obviously we can get improved in our nursing profession. But I personally believe we, nursing students, also have some duties to uphold our nursing profession. We have to be much knowledgeable, much qualified, and also smart enough to communicate with people anywhere, anytime. We can inform people how much dedicated, how much important and noble our nursing profession is. And I think, yes, we all are smart enough to do all this. And last of all, I think by doing all these steps, by following all these steps, I think we will be able to represent our nursing profession worldwide. So that was about today's topic. Thank you for hearing me. That's all.